Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your text or stories into videos using one of these 5 AI tools. Let's start with Bing Video Creator, powered by OpenAI's Sora model. This tool lets you type in a simple prompt and instantly generate short vertical videos. It's perfect for quick content creation, especially if you're making TikToks, Reels, or Shorts. Next is Haluo AI, which comes with a unique director mode. This allows you to not only generate videos from text but also control camera movements, giving you more cinematic results. It's a great choice if you want a little more creative freedom. Then there's Dream Machine by Luma Labs. Known for its realistic results, this tool transforms prompts into smooth, high-quality clips. It's especially popular among creators looking for visually impressive AI videos. Runway Gen 2 is another big name in the AI video space. With it, you can generate short clips from text, images, or even existing videos. Runway is widely used by content creators and professionals because it balances speed, quality, and accessibility. Finally, we have Kling AI from Kuaishou. Unlike most free tools, Kling can create longer, high-resolution videos, up to 2 minutes in full HD. That makes it one of the most powerful free AI video generators available right now. So whether you want quick vertical clips, cinematic shots, or longer storytelling videos, these AI tools have you covered. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel for more content, and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.